Hello students, welcome. I am Amanpreet Kaur from Computer Science Department of Arya College, Ludhiana. Today, I will present the topic from computer graphics, that is raster scan display. So what is raster scan display? Scan displays are most common type of graphic monitor which employs CRT, that is cathode ray tube, or LCD panel, that is liquid crystal display panel for display. It is based on a television technology. Raster scan actually is the rectangular pattern of image capture and reconstruction in television. In raster scan, an image is subdivided into sequence, usually horizontal strip known as scan line. Each scan line are transmitted in form of analog signal, further divided into pixels for processing. In raster scan system, electron beams sweep across the screen from top to bottom, covering one row at a time. Means electron beam moves across the screen from top scan line to bottom scan line, covering one scan line, that is one row at a time. The viewing surface of CRT is coated with layer of arrayed phosphor dots. So here we are having layer of arrayed. Arrayed means there is an array in certain fashion. We have a array of phosphor dot at the back of CRT, a set of electron guns, that is cathode, which produce controlled stream of electrons. So at the back of CRT there is a set of guns from which the electrons will be emitted. The phosphor dots glow when struck by high energy electrons. So whatever the phosphor dots are there at the back side of the screen, they will glow when electron beam hitting on them. To produce a picture on the screen, these detected electron beams start at the top of the screen and scan rapidly from left to right along the row of phosphor dots. At the end of line, it moves to the leftmost dot of next line. It means it starts scanning from top left corner, then moves towards right, then it will come back to the first dot of next line. In this way, respective scanning continue. At last, it will return back to the top left corner and then process repeated again and again. Thus it cover the entire screen and the start again scanning again after completing each line. In raster scanning, beam moves horizontally left to right from top to bottom, which is called horizontal retrace, and then rapidly moves back to the left and sweeps out next line, which is called vertical retrace. For both horizontal and vertical retrace, the electron emission is stopped. That means there is no phosphor glow at this time. For electron guns are controlled by video card attached in the circuit. All these happen extremely quickly. The entire screen is drawn in fraction, say 1/60th of second. In a fraction of second, the screen image is drawn. Picture definition is stored in a memory area which is called refresh buffer or a frame buffer. This area holds the set of intensity value for all the screen points. These stored intensity values are retrieved from the refresh buffer and painted on the screen one row scan line at a time, as shown in the figure, as you can see in the figure. So there is two types of scanning in this system: interlaced scanning and non-interlaced scanning. Interlaced scanning, each horizontal line of screen is traced from top to bottom, due to which fading of display of object may occur. In non-interlaced scanning, in this, first of all, odd number lines are scanned, visited, then in next circle even number of lines are located, but it gives flicker. In this way, raster scan display produces images on a computer system. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.